Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have some behind the scenes from an evening beach photo shoot with gorgeous model Jamila. This is Bingin Beach in Uluwatu, Bali. A super chill, beautiful beach with white sand and some cool rocks. But don't forget to check out my friend Anita Sadowska. She also took pictures during this shoot and will have behind the scenes on her socials. So if you'd like to see a different perspective, head over to her channel. It will be linked in the description. So for the first look, we went with this beautiful metallic blue dress I got on AliExpress, and we also used a prop. This shell was a decoration in our Airbnb, so we borrowed it just for a few hours and we put it back after, but it fit the theme so well. And we accessorized with some shell jewelry that I also brought from AliExpress. Yeah, I like that because I'm doing like a very low angle. Kind of, it's like looking very like goddessy, you know. Yes. So here you can totally do even like more here. Yes, and kind of like very like kind of yes. Yes, yeah. Yes, exactly. Oh yeah, looking up, that was really nice. And to the side. Yes, like that. Yes, love that. Maybe like a detail shot of the shell and like the dress. Or wait, maybe like you hold it close to your face or something. Yes. I want it with the water in the background. Yeah, just like this. Turn towards me. Just turn towards. Yes, yeah, like that. Okay, stay. Yeah, no, that's great. Come here. I need to be a little bit higher. Yes, just right there. Yes. Oh, that's the shot, yeah. Or maybe we can get the one where you're pouring the water on yourself with this shell. Might be a little bit easier. Okay, so don't go too far. Yeah, maybe like... Yeah, try it over here. Now, so yeah, do it more like... Yes, exactly. Yes. Oh my God. Wait, let me just look at it. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look at this. Oh, it's so cool. Ooh, that's really nice. Actually, that was really nice. Whoa. Okay, do it again. I'll just stand from a different side. Give me a sec. I'm gonna shoot the high continuous. Okay, you ready? Go ahead. Okay, the only thing when you do that, the other hand, because see,
it's hiding.
Yes. So try maybe this hand you can put somewhere here. Yes, just like that. Okay, go ahead. Whoa! Oh my God! I don't know if I like that on the head. It like you look really great, but I don't know. What if?
I think
what
on
if,
the chest.
Yeah. What if you do the same like pose with your face, but you put it more on your chest? Okay, you ready? Go. Nice. What if you hold it with both of your hands? And I don't know, like I want to be splashing more, almost like like when it's pouring on you, like more like splashing. I don't know. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I think we got it. Okay. Okay, oh, don't go too far. Maybe, you know what? Because I'm not sure that I can go with this, or here. It is, yes. Don't go too far because I can't. Yeah, you see, you can just do that. Yeah, yeah. I think it needs to be almost like, oh, getting, you know what, come out. You don't have to be fully in the water, I don't think. I think I like when it's like up to your knee, yeah, like right here. Up right here. Yes, right there. It's really nice when it's like the wave hits you. Oh, and just fix the dress. What if you like hold it here? Yes, yes. Yes, 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 exactly, 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 exactly. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Love, 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 love. Okay, and just a few more like laying in the sand. We get you. And give me just like the laying on the side type. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, this dress needs to be adjusted, yeah. Yeah, and just like hold it there again, like this thing. Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, yeah, the dress. Yes, yes, that's really good, yes. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
For the second look, we went with this very simple but cute one piece and a straw hat.
Yeah, so we have to almost, oh, okay, no, stay the way you are. Turn towards me, just like this way, no, the other way. Yes, yes, right there. Yes, and then this guy, if I can move this, it has like this perfect spot here where I'll see your face, and then the rest will be, oh, even more, kind of like this, yeah? Uh-huh. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, exactly, exactly. Oh, yes, beautiful. Yes, love it, love it. Oh, that's actually really cute, yeah. And just a little bit more, yeah. Yes, yes, like that. Yes, ooh, just like straight on is really nice too. What if hands, both hands down? Actually, your hands was kind of nice, yeah. Yeah, oh, that's really cute. Love that. No, it's so funny. I normally, like, if you look at my work, like, I don't have any models smiling, but I like when you're smiling. And let's try one kind of like from the shoulder. Maybe the other side.
Is it cropped?
Yes, it's very cropped. They're all like very
cropped and medium. Okay.
Yeah, so what if we do like a little shoulder? What if like this strap, if you just like hold it down? Yeah. And bring the hair over here as well. On both sides, I kind of want it like messy and big. Yes, love it, love it, love it. And then I wanted to try one where you almost like hold it, like those little things. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God, exactly. Wow. And do a smile here. Cute. Oh my God. Yeah, so here, yes, that's beautiful. Let's do one where you're just holding it down. Like maybe, oh, you know it would be really nice if you're just kind of as if you were walking and you, yes, exactly. So what you can do, you don't have to actually walk, but you can take, yeah, like that one step and you can just kind of do like, you know, kind of something like this. Yes, exactly. Yes, oh my God. Yes, and let that hair just kind of flow in front of your face. Yes. And then I want to try it backlit. The same thing. So the same thing you were doing, maybe just right here. Oh, yeah.
So we shot this third look with the fishnet dress right after sunset. The light was crazy. It was so pink and purple, very different from what I normally shoot, but also very cool. We did not have much time to shoot because both me and Anita wanted to get our shots in a very short amount of time before it got too dark, but I think I managed to get some really nice ones.
Another one that I wanted to try
where you are laying kind of like with your hands kind of like on the rock almost. Yeah. Oh, yes. You got it. This looks crazy. What, like, how does the light look like that?
Wow.
Just with your toes, keep them pointed and one leg more out. Yes. What if this hand, this one is more kind of like this? Yeah. What if you like almost like you're sleeping on it? Yes. Exactly. Oh. Maybe one more. I kind of still want to try to get one of you kind of like sitting or something like on a rock or standing maybe. Maybe we can do a standing one. Do you think, you see like this spot right here? I don't know if it's hard to stand on it. Yeah? Yeah, it's cool. What if, I think with hands, either or like you're holding this thing. Yes, yeah, that's better. Now, one more thing is that because these are so long, it's almost like I cannot see your arm. So maybe like just pull it just a little bit. You hold and hold this thing here. Yes, I think I like that better. And maybe now instead, you put this over your shoulder and this off. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just sit in this spot now. Do you see where this? You sit there with your bum kind of like this. Yeah.
And I will just take.
So I don't have the behind the scenes for this last shot. I kind of sneaked it when Anita was shooting. But this is it for today's video. Let me know which look was your favorite. Give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!